to change theme on Snapchat. Hey everyone, welcome back to a new video on how to guide. If you're trying to change the theme or the wallpaper of your chat on Snapchat, let me show you the quick process of adding it in. Now before I show you, make sure you turn on the notifications and also subscribe to our channel for more daily videos. Let's head over to Snapchat and then open up the chat where you want to change the theme or the wallpaper of. Just tap on the Bitmoji and this profile will open up. Now here you'll have an option of wallpaper. Now before you can change the theme or the wallpaper of a chat, you need to have the Snapchat Plus. Snapchat Plus is the premium version of Snapchat. So if you have the premium version, you can just tap on wallpaper and you'll have different wallpapers or themes that you can choose from. If you don't yet have the Snapchat Plus, you can tap on the Bitmoji on the top left, tap on the settings icon on the top right, and here you'll see an option of Snapchat Plus. Tap on that option and tap on subscribe. As you can see, chat wallpapers, first feature that Snapchat Plus provides. You can just tap on subscribe and subscribe to Snapchat Plus. Only after you subscribe, you can change the theme or the wallpaper of your chat on Snapchat. But however, Snapchat Plus is not yet available in every country. So if you're in a country where Snapchat Plus is not available, you won't be able to change the theme or the wallpaper. So I hope you guys understood this video. If you did, be sure to subscribe and also give this video a like. If you want more videos similar to this, make sure to turn on the notifications of our channel so you get notified for more future videos.